If you're a creator who is confused about taxes, just stop right here. Give me a second. We're going to talk about write-offs because this is how you're going to save money on taxes, and we love to save money. This is something really important for you to pay attention to throughout the year so that you can actually save money come tax time. A write-off is basically a business expense, something that you need to have or pay for that is necessary to actually run your business. It offsets the amount of profit you're making because you're spending money, meaning that you're going to owe less in taxes. This is the general rule of thumb. It is anything that is deemed ordinary and necessary for your business. So there's wiggle room because what you consider ordinary and necessary might be different for me. But okay, let's dive into it. Now, here are some examples of for sure, if you're a creator, these are going to be expenses. Okay, editing software, your Lightroom, your Photoshop, your camera, maybe you need a prop for a photo shoot. These are all ordinary and necessary to run a creator business. These down here are where it gets a little bit questionable. Clothing for photo shoots, hair, makeup, your beauty appointments, things like that. Are they things that you would not have purchased or not have done if you were not doing your business? For example, would you not go get a haircut if you were not a creator? You'd probably get a haircut. So it's difficult to call that a business expense because you would have done it anyway. Really, the most important thing to know here is that there's no real yes or no answer for any of those questionable examples because every tax preparer is going to have their own different opinion on this. They basically take liability when they're processing your taxes, when they're doing your taxes. So it's really up to what they think is ordinary and necessary for your business. The best tip that I can just give you to be over prepared come tax time is whenever you're making $1, take 30% of it and put it straight into your savings for taxes. If you get a check from a brand for $1,000, $300, put it right into savings. Don't even look at it. It's not yours. Because when it comes tax time, that will be more than enough money than you need to actually pay your taxes.